Am I really about to do this, y'all? I guess it is. I guess it's time, y'all. I want better for my life. I want better for my family as well. And yeah, it is. It's time. It's time for me to get out of my head. It's time for me to get out of my comfort zone. Yeah. For so long, I've always talked myself out of doing certain things. And I'm almost 30. Next year I'm going to be 29. January next month, I'm going to be 29. And I don't know what I can show for myself at the age of 29 that I have accomplished. So, yeah, it's time. The fear of the unknown is like my biggest fear. The fear of not knowing, like, if I'm gonna fail or succeed. And I know I won't know those things unless I try it, but I don't know. But yeah, just me rambling, but I just wanted to let y'all know that. Is it about to snow? Y'all, it's snowing. No freaking way. Y'all see the flurries? I just got that notification on my phone. Look. It's really snowing. That's insane, but it's gonna be stopping soon. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Y'all, Vlogmas has been kicking my behind, okay? I have been working, not to mention I've been getting off at 11 o'clock as well. Sorry if the lighting changed. I'm driving. But yeah, I've been getting off at 11. By the time I get home, I can't even edit. Then I have to wake up early in the morning to try to edit, and I still don't get it done because then I have to go right back to work. But I have the next couple days off, so hopefully I'm able to get stuff done. Today I'm off, which is Friday. I have to go get my little sister because she has a half a day, and then I'm going to head straight to my appointment afterwards. I have a dermatology appointment. Ever since I've been having my leg issues or my feet issues, these red marks have been on my legs, so I just want to get it checked out to make sure it's nothing too serious. so I can like get it rectified. But yeah, y'all, that's all I really have planned for today. I'm also going to show you guys like the finished look of everything at night, since I had been decorated. I feel like I feel like that meme where the guy's just in the dark and like all you can see is his teeth. I'm going to show you guys how the finished look of everything looks, because y'all, it looks so beautiful at night. Yeah, so I'll talk to y'all when I get my sister. All right.
You're all set to go, okay? So our walking hours are very easy. We're here every day except the weekends, obviously. So Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, no lunch hour. From 12 to 1, we're eating lunch. So pretty much 9 to 5, no lunch hour on Monday through Friday, okay? So when it gets bad again, because it's going to flare up again pretty soon, right? Because it's been happening like that.
Yeah.
If it does, then come right back in, no appointment. Just walk in during those hours, and we'll take a look. We'll do a little biopsy to kind of help prove this, so we can figure out what this is and how to treat you, okay? Because right now we see just more healing, more secondary changes. I don't see anything active today, so I don't think we should really do anything until it really gets bad again.
So we are out now. Y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all heard. But yeah, I'm about to head home now. I think Mom said she want to go to Seven Brothers, so.
You're gonna be in there for 5 hours.
I don't know.
5 hours, guys. 5 hours you're gonna be in there.
Later.
I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. Hey, 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 hey. I think I know what it is. I ordered some sneakers. I think it was yesterday I ordered it too. And this one came already. That's crazy. Oh, it's both of them. Alright, let's see. Let's see. So, I got these. They originally be 60, and I got them for 40. 65, and I got them for 40. Oh, yes, they are. Look how pretty this is. Look how cute these are, y'all. These are Pumas, too. Let me see the names on the box. Oh, huh? So, yeah. So I got it. It messed up my box. But yeah, y'all, these are so cute. I love the colors. I'll probably try them on later to see if they fit. It's nice. That's all that I got, y'all. That's all that I got. I'm gonna have to fix this box because they really messed up my box. Disrespectful.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and fill the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. He's taking it slow, won't work on time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his realize. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let me be your family.